Hello children. Today in English we will recite a poem. Name of the poem is One Thing at a Time. Okay, what? One thing at a time. This poem is on page number 33 in your English reader. Come, let's start. Work while you work, play while you play. To be useful and happy, that is the way. So this is while, W-H-I-L-E, while. Okay, once again. Work while you work, play while you play. To be useful and happy, that is the way. All that you do, do with your might. Things done by halves are never done right. All that you do, do with your might. Things done by halves are never done right. One thing at a time, and that done well, is a very good rule, as many can tell. One thing at a time, and that done well, is a very good rule, as many can tell. So children, this poem teaches you that whatever you do, whether you study or you play, you do that thing with full attention and concentration. See here in this picture, these boys are playing. So they are playing with full attention and concentration. They are enjoying, taking interest. Okay? So when you work means when you study, and when you play, so you have to take proper full interest whatever you do. So by doing this, that thing becomes useful and makes you happy. See here in this picture, what is happening? This boy is studying, he is doing homework, and along with he is playing also. So what happens? See, the ink spills on his notebook and all his work is spoiled. So he has to do that work again. So he was not able to play and he was not able to study. So when you study, you be full focused on your studies. See what here is written. All that you do, do with your might. Might means intelligence. Okay? With interest. And things done by halves are never done right. And if you leave anything incomplete, and if you will not take any interest in the work you do, then that work will never be completed and your time will be wasted. And these lines tell that when you do any work, okay, at one time, then you do that work only with full focus. Okay, and what you will see, that the work which you are doing will be done very properly, very well. And everyone says that this doing one thing at a time is a very good rule. Okay, so this rule you should follow. So dear children, this is a very nice poem, okay, which gives you some lesson, life lesson also. So now what you will do, you will read this poem, okay, and you will write this poem in your copy, and you will try to learn 4 lines of this poem. Okay, students? Thank you.